Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something fun. I'm going to have a diamond painting kit destash. Basically that means I have some kits in my collection that I know I'm never going to paint, or I've just my interests have changed over the years. So I bought them and wanted to back then, but now I don't. And instead of having them just sit there in the box and collect dust, I'm giving you all the opportunity to grab one or two or three. So how this is going to work is the kits themselves are going to be sold, but I am going to be selling them at way less than I paid for them, way less than Diamond Art Club or the other companies charge for them. And what I'll do is I will have a sheet below. I'll make like a Google sheet or something with the name of the painting, how much I'm charging, and then of course you'll have to be responsible for shipping. Then from there it is all about sending me an email. Actually no, we'll do a Google form, and I will go first come first serve through the form. So first person to fill it out, they get the paintings they've picked, and then second person I'll reach out to them and say, hey, these are what's left, and so on and so forth until this stash is all sold off. So like I said, it'll be 50% or more cheaper than Diamond Art Club. Some of these kits are discontinued as well, so keep that one in mind. And yeah, the reason I am charging for the kit is because I did pay my money for it, and I don't make money on like a lot of money on YouTube. This channel I make no money on, and I just need to get a little bit of funds back to me that I can reinvest back into the channel. And these are brand new kits. So instead of giving them away for free, which is just not something I'm in the position to do, I'm going to sell them for super cheap. That way I can at least invest back into the channel some way, and you get a kit for super cheap. All right, last thing before I show you the kits, I will not unbox them simply because I want them to stay intact, so please keep that in mind. But yeah, let's get started. So, the first kit we have here is a Dreamer Designs canvas. This is one of their older ones. It's a monster, and the reason this is broke here is just so I could flip this up. So this is Forgotten Memories. It's an 80 by 60 centimeter. It's Anne Marie Bone. She actually makes really pretty paintings. The painting is gorgeous. With all the paint, you guys have seen my stash. I'm not going to be able to get to this one. So that's one of them. Next we have a Dreamer Designs kit. This is called Wild and Precious by Jody Bergsma. I actually love this artist. So check out that artwork. 20 by 27 inches. It is a square kit. Okay, we have another Dreamer Designs one. Did I say Dreamer Designs? Diamond Art Club. This is a square. This thing is a monster though, so whew. But it's landscape. So if you're one of those types that love the landscape ones, look at that. Woo! So this is called Inspiration of Spring Meadows by Chuck Pinson. It is 36.6 inches by 27.6 inches. The box is huge for the amount of inches they are saying, but no, actually it's about right. Okay, so yeah, this is a square drill one. It's more of a landscape. Okay, another one from Diamond Art Club, a square. It's a beast of a kit. It is 27.6 inches by 34.7. Now, I actually love this artist because I'm an adult colorist, so Sarah Richter, but this is Ariel Angel. I just keep looking at this and I think, I'm not a big fan of square kits. I know I'm an oddball. So I know a kit this size, I'll just never finish it. So that's why that's in there. Otherwise, if it was smaller or round drills, I would have kept it. Okay, then I have a Sesame Street one. I did a mystery box with Diamond Art Club, and one of my mystery kit pieces was this one. So it's a Sesame Street. It's a round one. It is super small, 16 by 13 inches. So it's cute. I'll see how much they're selling it for. Like I said, I got this in a mystery box. That's where you like spend $200 and get whatever you get. Okay. Then I have this Diamond Dots one. This one I will not charge for. It'll be free as long as you're purchasing one of the other kits. And then this will just be factored into your shipping. But this one is for free. It is a really pretty wolf. It's just, I'm never gonna do it. So, gotta give that one away. Okay, from Diamond Art Club. I think the rest are all Diamond Art Club. This is a square one. It is By the Light of the Moon by Willowing Arts. 20 by 26, so it's easy to tackle. I just have 2 others from her already, and I haven't touched those yet, so I think it's time to start destashing. So that is one. Okay, this is a round kit, and I like rounds, but I have 2 of these. So that is why this came in a mystery box, and I was like, oh great, I already have it. So the one that I don't need, I guess, my spare. So this is Sleeping Beauty, also by Willowing Arts. It's a 20 by 26. So it'll be fun and easy if you enjoy rounds like I do. Make sure you stay tuned to the end, because actually I have a really big kit that most people are dying to get. So this is Eden Floral by Susan Wingett. It's a square kit. It is a 20 by 20, so it's actually pretty easy to tackle. But again, I know I'm not going to get to it anytime soon. Okay, we have another square one. This is Who Killed the Rabbit by Simona Cardini. I love her work. I ended up with 2 of these from mystery boxes. I think I'm not doing mystery boxes anymore. I keep getting dupes or ones that I'm like, oh, it's just not worth it for me. I'll just wait till something pops up I want. 22 by 28 inches. So this one will be really cute too. All right, the final kit is a Harry Potter kit. Again, something that came in a mystery box, and I was like, ah, crap. Originally, I was going to do this one and put it up for sale or something as a finished one, because it is a monster, but I don't like square drills. So I am not going to take my time to break out a 27.6 by 39 inch square diamond kit. I'm just not. But that's the image, that's what you would be creating. It's actually really cool. So this thing is a beast as well, but that is the last kit. So like I said, I will make a Google sheet, and I will link it in the description below with each kit that I'm giving away. I'll put the retail price, and then I'll also indicate if you can even buy it now or not, and then my price for it, but they'll all be 50% or more off. Except the dots one, which will be free as long as you're purchasing another. And then you will be able to, you'll have to pay shipping for all of these kits. So either way, you'll be getting the kits way cheaper than if you bought them. And yeah, I mean, shipping can vary, but my goal is to make it still affordable for you to purchase all these kits. And then that way, if there was a kit you've been itching for and it's out of stock or whatever, you can grab it. But that is my plan. And then, like I said, we will do the Google form. So the first person to fill it out, it gets first dibs on whatever they want. And yes, if they want to purchase all of them, they can. So there is that as well. But please don't buy these kits to go resell them on eBay. I had originally thought of just putting them on eBay, but I decided, you know what, I'll check with my subscribers first. And then once we get through this destash, what's ever left, I will put on eBay. And then to top it off, over the next couple of weeks, when I have time, I'm going to be going through the rest of my stash and start pulling kits that I just know I'm never going to get to. So we'll probably have another destash here in a little while. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And until next time, take care. Bye now.